This is going to be a short tutorial on using Lightburn in the Camden-Carroll library in Makerspace. First of all, I'm going to be doing a keychain project, and I have my file in an AI format. So this is an Adobe Illustrator created design, which has allowed me to use two separate layers, which will import into Lightburn as two separate sets of directions. I have the part of the image that I want to engrave, which will have its own set of instructions, and the part of the image that will be cut, which will require the laser to go much slower with much higher speed. Okay. First of all, I'm going to make sure that my design is about the size that I want. I can see with these selected that the width is 2.34 inches and the height is 0.81. I'm aiming for 2.5 inches, so I'm going to hold Shift on the keyboard and drag from the bottom left corner until we're about 2.5 inches. And there we go. Next, I need to ensure that my settings are correct. So using some test pieces and some prior experience with the material that I'll be using, I know that 500 speed and 55% power is a little too high. I'm going to go with 300 speed, and I'll leave the power at about 55. For cutting, 100 speed will be a little too fast, so we're going to change that to just 5 millimeters a second, and we're going to need at least 50% power. Now that my settings are updated, I can choose Window and Preview to get an idea of how long the project will take. So this is an estimate of 56 seconds. And I can go through the process and see if there are going to be any problems. And I'm checking here that due to the order of my layers on the side, I will be doing the fill first and the line second, which is what should happen. That way we're engraving before we're cutting this material loose from the larger material. That way nothing gets shifted in the process. With everything set up, if my laser is connected, I'm able to start, go to the laser, and watch it begin.